Hey, third graders. Today we are going to be reviewing the sound made by OW and sometimes by OU that sounds like ow, like in mouse or house. So, what you guys are going to do is you are going to read our brand new story, Canine Cousins, The Fox and the Wolf, and you are going to look for those words that have the vowel sound ow. When you find them, you can use either the scribble tool to circle them, or if you're doing Pear Deck, you can do it on Pear Deck. So here's what's a little tricky about finding that ow sound is that sometimes OU and OW doesn't make the ow sound. When I read the title of this story, Canine Cousins, I see OU over here, but OU in cousins doesn't make the ow sound I'm looking for, so I'm not going to circle it. Let's go into the first sentence and see if we can find another word. The first sentence is, the fox and the wolf are animals often found in fairy tales or folk tales. Did you guys hear the ow sound? Yeah, I found it in the word found. I found it in the word found, so I'm going to circle the word found because I know that it has the sound ow. Keep reading and make sure you don't get tricked by those words like cousin that look like they might have the ow sound, but when you read them, actually have a different sound. Good luck!